Hello everyone, welcome to engineering mechanics class. In this lecture, we have to discuss this component of forces. If the angle is given and the external force is acting on the member, then how to calculate the components of that particular force. For that, let's see one small example. In this example, let's see this question. The wire of electric pole as shown in figure, the maximum angle is 60 degrees to the horizontal and it is subjected to 20 kilonewton force. Find the horizontal and vertical components of the force. So based on this, here this is the diagram. One is 20 kilonewton force is given and the angle is 60 degrees is given. This is the member. This is the inclined member. On this inclined member, the force 20 kilonewtons is acting, and this is the fixed at the horizontal. And this member is coincide with this horizontal member with an angle of 60 degrees. So, in solution part, first you have to write down the free body diagram of that particular member. So, this is the inclined member. On this member, the force F is acting, that is 20 kilonewtons is already given in the question. Further, the horizontal, here the horizontal component and vertical component, you have to calculate these two values. So horizontal component means we know that the along with the horizontal axis that can be denoted by Fx, and the vertical component is nothing but along the y-axis that can be denoted by Fy. So here in this question have to find out this horizontal component and vertical component Fx and Fy. This is Fx along the horizontal direction, Fy along the vertical direction, hence horizontal component and vertical component. So these two are the components of the forces of F, force F. So this angle is coincide with the horizontal. Then Fx is, it can be written as F cos theta. And if the theta is coincide with the horizontal, then write down Fx as F cos theta. If in case the angle is coincide with vertical, then Fy is F cos theta. But here this angle is coincide with the horizontal. So Fx is equals to F cos theta. Then the opposite one is Fy, that is F sin theta. So here the theta is nothing but the angle is given 60 degrees and the force is 20 kilonewton cos 60. And similarly, Fy also substitute that one 20 sin 60. So here this Fx value is 20 cos 60. Means here this is 20 into cos 60 is 1 by 2. Then that one is 10 kilonewton. And Fy is 20 sin theta and sin 60. Then simplify that one, then we'll get that value is 17.32 kilonewtons. And here have to know what is this direction of this one. So here the member, the force is acting downwards, means this is the member and the force is in this direction, the force is acting. So the x component and y component directions, this is the x component, so this is also towards this joint, and the vertical component member is also towards this one, means the x direction is left in left side and the y direction is downwards. In x direction place you can write down to left, in y direction place you can write down downward. Okay. So Fx is 10 kilonewton and Fy is equals 17.32 kilonewtons, and the direction of the x component is left side and the direction of the y component is downwards. This direction is based on the action of force on the member. It means the force is acting in which direction, based on that we'll get the direction of the components. So this is the very simple example for the calculation of horizontal and vertical components of the force if the angle is coincide with the horizontal axis. Okay. Thank you.